Are you looking for a franchise business idea? Do you want to own a boneless fried chicken franchise business? Well, in this video, we are going to feature the Crunch Boneless Fried Chicken franchise business. We will provide you the important information you need to get a franchise of it. The Crunch Boneless Fried Chicken is a franchise business committed to providing a quality serving of flavored boneless fried chicken. Founded by friends Ralph, Rapunzel, Joel, and Kat, their goal is to share their unique style of tasty boneless fried chicken. Treat yourself to this tasty and flavorful boneless chicken at any of their 100 plus branches nationwide. Their mission: to serve more people with a unique style of high-quality boneless fried chicken. To help Filipinos start a profitable and easy-to-manage business. Their vision: through a shared commitment to excellence, they are dedicated to the uncompromising quality of their food and service while taking exceptional care of their guests and staff. They will continuously strive to surpass their own accomplishments and be recognized as one of the most progressive and sustainable businesses in the country, with more than 250 branches by 2024. The Crunch products. They are offering chicken shots bucket, half chicken 6 pieces per flavor, and whole chicken 12 pieces per flavor. Available in different delicious flavors such as classic, honey garlic, K-style, spicy K-style, teriyaki, cheesy bacon, and Texas barbecue. Why the Crunch? Number 1. Serving delicious high-quality boneless fried chicken. Number 2. Pandemic-proof. Number 3. Fast ROI within 6 to 12 months of operation. Number 4. Affordable franchise fee. Number 5. Low competition. Number 7. Great branding and marketing. Number 8. Fast-growing business. Number 9. Partnership with Grab Food and Food Panda. Number 10. No royalty fee, no renewal fee, and no hidden charges. For the franchise packages, package number 1, basic package. Basic package is the best for people who are far away from their main office. Since they cannot handle their construction, this is good in schools, bus terminals, commercial spaces, or any high foot traffic area are the best locations for this type of food cart package. The basic package is worth 200,000 pesos. For the package inclusions, it includes food stand or counter, complete set of equipment and utensils, 10,000 pesos worth of supplies, 2 sets of uniform, food warmer display, use of operational manual, POS software, and grand opening and marketing assistance. Package number 2, all-in package. All-in package includes all that you need to start the business: construction, signages, equipment, etc. And they will handle it for you. The all-in package is worth 300,000 pesos. And the package includes interior design, basic construction and painting, front signage and double-face signage, menu, chest freezer, preparation and stainless cooking tables, stainless sink, complete set of equipment and utensils, 10,000 pesos worth of supplies, 2 sets of uniform, food warmer display, use of operational manual, POS software and hardware, and lastly, grand opening and marketing assistance. For the contact details, you may contact The Crunch with the address Food Street, Alabang Zapote Road, Pamplona 3, Las Piñas City, Philippines. You can contact their mobile number at 0917-319-5638 or 0917-577-5674. You can send them an email at thecrunchph@gmail.com. You can visit their FB page at The Crunch Boneless Fried Chicken. You can also visit their website at www.thecrunchph.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of The Crunch Boneless Fried Chicken today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.